In this video, I will show you how to become a truck driver within Emergency Hamburg. So all you need to do is you need to go to the harbor, which you can find over here. Then tap on the truck company over here, and all you need to do right now is turn left right here. And as you can see here, you see this garage with this nice little building next to it, and that is where you need to enter. So you can go into this little building, and as you can see here, you see this man, you see trucks, you see a nice little area. But what you actually need to do is you need to press E. When you are next to this man, so press E, and here you can see the truck company shift, truck driver information, payment multiplier, and all you need to do next is tap on start shift. Here you can select a delivery location. So for example, this harbor storage, tap on that, and now what you need to do is you can go to trucks over here. So this is basically the vehicle dealership, and here you can select the different trucks. So for example, this one, which is free, but also some paid ones, or like ones that you can get with XP. So I'm selected this one because this one is free. Then all you need to do is tap on spawn, as you can see, and now you can enter this truck. As you can see, this vehicle is damaged, so I actually do need to go to the A deck to repair this truck. And also keep in mind that your fuel, of course, needs to be, not empty. That is not handy. But what you need to do right now is you can take a look at the map over here, and as you can see, this is your delivery destination. So this one is a very short ride, which you can select manually. And all I need to do right now is turn left. And it is very important that you, don't drive through red lights and don't do any speed violations, because that will impact your SP, so CP basically, and also directly will impact your XP. So keep that in mind. And as you can see, here is the delivery delivery destination. So all I need to do right now is park right here, as you can see. And now I do need to basically complete the delivery, because now I picked up the delivery and now I need to bring it back. As you can see, that is over there. So it's usually in a very small area. So all I need to do right now is turn right. Don't drive too hard, otherwise I might get a fine, which I don't like. And also it will impact my XP and CP. And all I need to do right now is just park right here to basically complete the delivery, as you can see. And now you can select a new location to get new XP and more money, basically. If you want to enter a shift, you can just select a random thing you want, for example this one. And then what you can do is you can again park here, because this is the pickup delivery, as you can see. What you can do right now is you can drive back to the garage, to the truck garage, and then what you can do is you can just go to the men and then press end shift. As you can see, now I'm driving back to the garage. I'm parking my truck in here, if it is working out. Alright, now I just jump out and I go back to the men where we started our shift, and again press E, and now you can end your shift, as you can see. And now I got my money, so that is very cool. Let me see, bank. As you can see, truck driver 336 euros, which is a fair amount, because I did not drive a lot. So that is how you can basically make money as a truck driver in Emergency Hamburg. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.